In the city, just automobiles. Small cars, trucks, and ambulances. Blue construction truck, Drillo. The back has a large yellow drill. Drillo is incredibly generous.
Always starts early.
GaaRipur is moving forward.
However, one day,
The sky is full of black clouds.
These clouds are not your typical ones. Green light, strong odor.
Garages are where cars hide.
a brand new vehicle showed up.
Bad eyes, evil smile.
Proceeded directly to the new park.
Let's get messy.
Goo-covered swings.
The flowers are likewise unclean.
The tires of little autos are jammed. I'm stuck. A new bridge is being built by Drillo.
Bird hurried screaming. I became irritated upon seeing Park. C'est Slymour!
Who are you? And what have you done?
Slymour began to chuckle.
Ho! The builder here?
Stop.
Professor Slymour is who I am.
I'm coming to bring my favorite thing, slime.
I won't let you!
Catch me if you can, Blue Box.
tracks of Drillo slid.
Won't be caught.
Goo! I'll seal off all these shops! There's no point in a straight chase. A straight line won't work.
Drillo applied her intellect. She needed to use her intellect.
He had to use his drill.
Hi, everyone! It's so wonderful to see you all here today.
Drillo took a different route.
No trouble, Drillo. No trouble for Drillo.
Now watch this! The rock shattered! Get back! Get back! What are you doing, Slymour?
How did you get here so fast?
This is my town, Slymour!
Your game is over now.
Stones and dirt flew.
Everything went in the hole!
No.
I tried once more.
Goo in hole again.
All of the goo collected in the hole. Slymour has run out of fuel. He finished all his goo.
Slymour no longer smiled.
Other vehicles cheered.
Drillo gave Slymour a scowl. No place for dirt. Mess and mischief have no place in this town. Now, depart GaaRipur right away!
Slymour is quite embarrassed.
Everyone cooperated to clean.
The town of GaaRipur seems tidy, bright and joyful once more. With all of the cars grinning, Drillo kept everyone safe.